What is ValuCount? ValuCount allows you to calculate the monetary value of a selected denomination. To use a ValuCount, press the Value key. You can cycle through and select your desired counting denomination. Let's stop at value 100 because I have a stack of hundreds here right now. Let's insert it. And there you go. Now we know that we have $1,700 of hundreds. Make sure when you're setting up the value, you're actually putting that denomination, because if we insert 5 and 10, for example, and we put it into the machine, now the machine counted as $100. The $5, they counted as 100. So you gotta make sure to sort out your stack to a proper denomination, and then insert it. And that's ValuCount.